out of your way. Now this is a song when we were playing together back in the days. I think we were in Bordeaux. And we had time to spend, and I was feeling very ironic at the time. And I started thinking, what is something that everybody do but nobody talk about? Yeah, everybody do sex, they talk about that, but nobody talk about masturbating, do they? So I wrote a song about masturbation. And it's called Spank My Monkey. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. If I'm far away from you now, when I'm sad and feeling blue now, and I can't get next to you now, a relief is what I do now. I'm gonna spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. If I'm looking for some action and I can't get no satisfaction, when the club there ain't a jumping, yeah. These fingers get the pumping. I'm gonna spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey, spank my monkey, spank my monkey all night long. I dream of you each night, my baby. I miss you every day. Can't get you out of my head. I said to friend, what can I do? Now tell me, what can I say? Yeah. Go to my monkey. Go to my monkey. Yeah. Go to my monkey. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey all night long. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey. Spank my monkey all night long. Won't be my monkey. Won't be my monkey. Won't be my monkey. Won't be my monkey. Yeah. Won't be my monkey. Yeah. Won't be my monkey, 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 monkey. Thank you. All right, man. You got it, man. Yeah. Good.